Do not feel lonely. The entire universe is inside you. Lovers don't finally meet somewhere. They are in each other all along. There are 1,000 ways to kneel and kiss the ground. There are 1,000 ways to go home again. Raise your words, not your voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion. Don't be satisfied with stories and how things have gone with others. Unfold your own myth. Why do you stay in prison when the door is so wide open? The prophets accept all agony and trust it, for the water has never feared the fire. Your depression is connected to your insolence and refusal to praise. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. Everything that is made beautiful and fair and lovely is made for the eye of one who sees. Ignore those that make you fearful and sad, that degrade you back towards disease and death. Words are a pretext. It is the inner bond that draws one person to another, not words. Set your life on fire. Seek those who fan your flames. I know you're tired, but come, this is the way. The wound is the place where the light enters you. Wherever you are, and whatever you do, be in love. I want to sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hears or what they think. When the world pushes you to your knees, you're in the perfect position to pray. Live life as if everything is rigged in your favor. I am not this hair. I am not this skin. I am the soul that lives within. Be full of sorrow, that you may become a hill of joy. Weep, that you may break into laughter. Be empty of worrying. Think of who created thought. Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray. Don't you know yet? It is your light that lights the world. Love is the bridge between you and everything. Seek the wisdom that will untie your knot. Seek the path that demands your whole being. Dance until you shatter yourself. It's your road, and yours alone. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you. Why do you stay in prison when the door is so wide open? As you start to walk on the way appears. What hurts you, blesses you. Darkness is your candle. The only lasting beauty is the beauty of the heart. Close your eyes, fall in love, stay there. The light is in your heart. You will find your way home. Silence is the language of God. All else is a poor translation. Patience with small details makes perfect a large work, like the universe. The message behind the words is the voice of the heart. The garden of the world has no limit except in your mind. When I am silent, I fall into the place where everything is music. Conventional opinion is the ruin of our souls. Let go of your mind and then be mindful. Close your ears and listen. All your anxiety is because of your desire for harmony. Seek disharmony, then you will gain peace. The world is a mountain in which your words are echoed back to you. Let go of your mind and then be mindful. Close your ears and listen.